What is up guys, my name is Ignas, welcome back to the channel. We have finished with the month of March, so we will do my dividend portfolio update, where I share what stocks I bought and sold in that month, and how much in dividends was received. Afterwards we'll go into my portfolio tracker on Google Sheets to further check on how we are doing overall. But first, as usual, I would like to start with a quick giveaway. So once a month I randomly pick a commenter under any of my videos, to give him or her access to some extra materials I'm using free of charge. March's winner is Roger, who apparently likes Sharon Williams as much as I do. Contact me directly on any platform, and I will give you access to those membership perks. So Roger will be getting in. Now if you would like to get there too, all you need to do is leave a comment under any of my videos. I'll randomly pick one next month, and you'll have a chance getting in same as Roger free of charge. Otherwise, you can of course support me by joining YouTube memberships. So I believe we are done here, now let's go back to the portfolio update. So we are back to Revolut, and here is March's transaction history. On the first, I funded the account with $500 new, and straight away bought into 2 stocks. The first buy was into financials, BlackRock, ticker symbol BLK, $200 in for 0.29 of a share, at a share price of $678.92. And then second buy was a tech giant Microsoft, ticker symbol MSFT, again $200 for 0.8 of a share at a share price of $247.88. Next one on March 2nd was the Revolut custody fee, where I paid 84 cents, but after that we are getting into dividends. So on the second, Intel paid, ticker symbol INTC. The dividend here came in at $5.32. Then on the 9th, we had a healthcare Amgen, ticker symbol AMGN, with $3.06. Afterwards, we had a huge day on March 13th, with 3 dividend pairs. So we have another healthcare stock, Walgreens, ticker symbol WBA, with $1.89. Then Microsoft paid 76 cents, which we just increased our position in. And last dividend for the day was Materials, Sherwin-Williams, ticker symbol SHW, at 43 cents. Going further, March 14th, we have Industrials name 3M, MMM, with $2.29. Then March 16th, 2 pairs. Consumer Discretionary McDonald's, ticker symbol MCD, a dividend of $1.35. And the Staples Tyson Foods, TSN, with $2.15. That were already quite some dividends, but March 24th, 2 more, a dividend from BlackRock, $3.41, and then technology name Qualcomm, ticker symbol QCOM, with $1.16. And then the last dividend for the month, 27th of March, another tech name FIS, with $1.74. So these were all the buys and dividends for the month, and now let's further check on portfolio's progress in Google Sheets. So here is a table with dividends I'm receiving every month. I've summed up March's dividends, and that came in at $23.46. That is 2 times more than we got in February, and comparing it to last year's March of $4.22, a 5x increase, plus 456% year over year. Clearly a huge jump, and it's now the largest month ever, with it previously being December of last year, at almost $17 for the month. Now this year we already received $43.72, so in 3 months we got half of what we got in 12 months last year. Definitely on track to at least 2xing last year's dividends. Now another part I want to check is the dividend income. So the portfolio currently should be bringing $212.46 in dividends on an annual basis, which comes in at $17.71 every month. With this dividend income, we are easily covering phone and internet bills, though still 30% under to cover clothing expenses, less than half of what we need for entertainment, and only 1/3 of monthly bill for vacations. Still great to see the numbers going up bit by bit, and the gauge gradually moving up too. Now that we went through the dividend income, let us check how the portfolio is performing. In March, one of the additions was a financials named BlackRock, ticker symbol BLK. We here now have 0.78 of a share. The position cost is $500 and it is now worth $518.80. So I'm up for $18.80 on it, which is an increase of 3.76%. BlackRock is one of the largest portfolio's positions, now at 5.25%, and is 34.92% of whole financials exposure. The stock is now trading at a dividend yield of 3.05%, and since it is a bit up, my yield on cost for it is 3.12%, and the position is bringing $15.59 on an annual basis. Another stock I increased my position in is from information technology sector, Microsoft, ticker symbol MSFT. I'm currently holding 2.105 of a share. Overall, the cost for this position is $500, and it is currently worth $605.91. So I'm up for $105.91 on it, and that is a decent increase, plus 21.18%. Again, it's one of the largest positions at 6.13% of the portfolio, and it is also 29.77% of exposure in technology sector. Now the stock is trading at a dividend yield of 0.96%, but again we are up on it, so the yield on cost is a bit higher at 1.14%, and this position is bringing $5.72 in dividends on an annual basis. Recently the markets are doing quite well, stocks are moving higher, the portfolio is now valued at $9,886.13, and since I have deposited at $9,680, we are in the green plus $206.13, up on it for 2.13%. With the next month's addition of $500 new dollars, we should be able to pass that $10,000 mark. Hopefully the market won't drop too much till then. And we're also coming close to that annual dividend goal of $240, just $38 to go here. Looking into portfolio sector weightings, I did change the targets a bit. So in financials, there's currently $1,486.92, 15.04% of the portfolio, with a target of 14%. Doesn't need a new addition here. And in information technology, we currently have $2,034.68, 20.58% of the portfolio, where the target is 20%. So this is not the focus yet, but could be quite soon if the weighting drops to under 20. Now the focus is still materials, with $189.40 in, so exposure of 1.92%, where the target is 3%. This and probably healthcare are the market sectors I currently do want to put more money in. We'll see if there are some opportunities there going further. So I do believe we've covered all the parts I wanted to check. If you are still interested, you can of course go deeper yourself. There is a link for this free tracker at the top of the description. You can check how my portfolio and dividend progress is going, or you can also make a copy of it and use it for your own needs. So which stocks have you bought recently? Which market sectors are your focus? Share ticker symbols of your picks in a comment below. Also don't forget to support the channel and leave a thumbs up under the video. Previously I've been analyzing and comparing a few dividend paying names, so if you are interested in any of these, then click on a video that is currently on the screen. And that was it from my side. Thank you for watching, and I will be seeing y'all in the next one.